Welcome to Bible Buddies, Episode 1, The Creation Story.
In the beginning, there was only darkness. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God called the light day, and the darkness night. And God saw it was good. On the second day, God made the wide sky. The blue sky stretched high above the waters, and God saw it was good. On the third day, God made the seas gather together. Dry land appeared. Then God made plants, trees, and flowers grow on the earth. And God saw it was good. On the fourth day, God placed lights in the sky, the big sun to shine in the day, the moon and the sparkling stars to light up the night. And God saw it was good. On the fifth day, God filled the sky with birds and the seas with many kinds of fish. God blessed them to fill the waters and the skies. And God saw it was good. On the sixth day, God made animals to walk on the land: lions, elephants, rabbits, and more. And then God made the first people, Adam and Eve, in his own image. God blessed them and said, "Take care of the world." And God saw it was very good.
Wow, friends! Isn't God amazing? He made the light, the sky, the land, and even the sun, moon, and stars. Everything He made is good and full of His love. Thanks for being with me today. I can't wait to share more of God's stories with you next time on Bible Buddies.